So this ties pi, e, and I all into one equation. How do we verify this? You'll notice the pi has this interesting brackets with just the bottom horizontal piece on it. That means the floor function, and it means to round down. So something like the floor of 5.4 would be 5, and the floor of 5.9 would also be 5. Because even though it's 5.9, normally you'd round up. This is the floor function, so you round down. To get the floor of pi, that'd be the floor of approximately 3.14, and that's going to round down to 3. And that's the floor function. And if we look at the ceiling function, it means round up. So for 5.4, the ceiling of this is 6. So even though you normally round down for 5.4, we're going to round up to 6. And the ceiling for 5.9 is also 6. So the ceiling for E would then be the ceiling of 2.718 and so on, which would also be 3. So last is I squared. And I is an imaginary number. It's the way that we handle the fact there is no square root of -1. So we define I squared as equal to -1. And we can put a box around that. So now let's plug in some values. So the floor of pi, it rounds down to 3. The ceiling of E rounds up to 3. And then we said I squared was equal to -1. Well, 3 over 3 is equal to 1, and 1 plus -1 is 0. Since 0 equals 0, this is a true statement. You guys are awesome. Comment on what you'd like me to talk about next, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.